Hey there, Bumo buddies! Welcome to another learning video. Today, we'll learn about the SH sound. Let's go, Bumo buddies! Bumo buddies, the SH sound makes a sound like this. Shh, shh, shh. Like at the end of the word fish. S-H, shh. Bumo buddies, today Benny the Bear is just enjoying a nice story when all of a sudden, a little mouse scampered across the floor. It looks like the mouse is heading for those holes in the wall. The mouse went in the hole marked with the word ending with the SH sh sound. The two words are book and wash. Which one ends with the SH sh sound? You got it! The word wash ends with the SH sound. Sh. S-H, shh. Good job, Bumo buddies, but look! The mouse is coming out! And Benny, follow that mouse! It's heading towards the kitchen! It found more holes to hide in! This time, the holes are marked with the words tree, brush, horse. Bumo buddies, which one of these holes did the mouse go in? Remember, it wants the word that ends with the shh sound. Good job, Bumo buddies. Brush. S-H, shh. Good job finding the right hole, but now the mouse is escaping again. Benny, it's heading towards the playroom. Once again, it found a hole to hide in. These holes are marked with the word plant and trash. Which one of these holes is marked with the word ending in the shh sound? You got it! The hole marked with trash. S-H, shh. Good job, Bumo buddies! And the mouse is coming back out. But this time, it's not running away. It told Benny the Bear that it's very hungry for cheese. Benny, that was very nice, but maybe next time you could put the cheese on a dish. S-H, shh. Today, we reviewed the SH sound. Thank you for learning. See you next time, Bumo buddy. If that was fun, join us in our Bumo Brain Live classes. See you there.